Last week, we talked about hardening off seedlings. This week, we take the next step and get those seedlings into the ground. It's a big milestone, and one you want to get right. Mistakes here can cause stress and stunt your plants for the rest of the season. Green fingers are a fact, and a mystery only to the unpracticed. But green fingers are the extensions of a verdant heart. Russell Page. When it comes to transplanting, timing is crucial. The ideal day is overcast with mild, calm temperatures, no storms, heavy winds, or harsh sun in the forecast. Try to transplant in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid the heat of the day. Start by removing any weeds that have popped up. Loosen the soil well and amend it as needed. I like to mix a little fertilizer into the bottom of the planting hole for a good head start. Before planting, water the area well so the soil is moist but not soggy. This helps reduce transplant stress and ensures the roots have immediate access to moisture. Water your seedlings about 1 to 2 hours before transplanting. This helps the root ball hold together and make it easier on the plant. Gently remove the seedling from its container. If it's root bound, gently loosen the roots, what we call tickling the roots in my garden. Also, take a moment to remove any damaged or yellowing leaves. This allows the plant to focus its energy on root growth rather than healing. To transplant the right way, dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of the transplant. Firm the soil gently around the base of the plant and water deeply at the root zone, being careful to avoid wetting the leaves and stem, which could invite disease at this early stage. Spacing matters. Don't crowd your plants. Give them enough space to grow, spread out, and get good air circulation. And once everything is in the ground, apply mulch around your seedlings. This helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Keep an eye out for signs of transplant shock like wilting or drooping. If needed, provide temporary shade or wind protection during the first few days. Now, it's time to celebrate. You did it! Your seedlings are in their new home and ready to grow through the season. Keep watching them, water consistently, and maybe give them a light dose of liquid fertilizer in a week or two to help them settle in and start thriving. Let's grow!